Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick LeVar here, building a $5,000 Blender Octane community here in public and sharing everything that I'm learning about doing this and everything, ups and downs, and I'm going to do a little memory dump. So for you guys new to this video, I'm going to answer some questions here from my community. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can post them, and then tomorrow I'll answer some of the questions that you guys post. And then also at the end of this, I will quickly do a quick little brain dump of my journeys of building a community, a Blender Octane community, like I said, and the ups and downs and the things that I'm trying to achieve doing it live, right? Okay, so let's get into a couple of comments here. First comment, is Vectron free? Yes, Vectron is free. It's part of Blender. You basically would just come in here. For example, I won't quickly set it up here, but I'm just going to add in a cube, and then if I jump into the shader here, add in a new material. Let's make that full screen for you. And then if I come in here and go Vectron, there it's, where is my Vectron? There it is, Vectron right there. There it is, Vectron, and I can load it up. I have videos on my channel on how to set Vectron up, so you can easily just do a quick, there it is. There's one actually right there from Otoy. That one's pretty good. And then I've got a whole bunch of shorts that I've done, just me experimenting with it. And there's another one from Otoy right there. These are current, 3 months ago. And Lino, definitely take a look at this one. He kind of goes through it kind of roughly, but there's the one I did. It's not showing up. See, that's why I hate YouTube. Sometimes I hate YouTube. Like, I made videos and they're not even showing up in the search result. But, you know, definitely just check out some of my shorts. I can quickly go through them. So, yeah, Vectron is free and is part of Blender. Yes, it's free. Alright, next one. This was actually from yesterday's daily update. Let's go. M Digital Product. Yes, let's go. Again, just sharing the process, because I wish, like, you know, Bezos or Elon Musk would have shared a daily vlog of their whole journey every single day of building their empire. Like, I'm not building a massive empire, but it's an empire for me, so I'm just sharing it out there for anybody behind me who's trying to do it. They've got, you know, they can see somebody who's going through it, just putting it out there. Where's the link? How to install Blender Octane? I keep getting that, where's the link? Like, I always pretty much put the links in the description of the videos. Where is the link? One dig description updated. Oh, okay. Yeah, 25 update. It's right here. Like, this is the link. This is the link right there, right? So I don't know why everybody keeps asking that. Look at the description. Where is the link? I'll paste it right here for you. There you go. Another question. I got much more stable results with the camera tracker on. Why does it look like? Oh, okay, I already did that one from yesterday. I'm going to start hearting these so I know that I've already answered them. Watch that. I did that from last night. I did that last night, so that's kind of my bad there on that. The lighting was kind of off, but okay, job again. That was from yesterday, and that was from yesterday. So I'm going to start liking these. Again, bear with me, guys. This is unscripted, unprepared. That's how I want it to be. And I was originally going to make a whole nother YouTube channel for this, but you know what? I'm tired of making YouTube channels. I've got like several of them already, so I'm just continuing to just do this on here. Looks good. Awesome. Thank you very much. What he's talking about is the signs here. And this was basically, it's kind of I'm gonna mute that really quickly. Just doing some how to get a photogenic render. Use photos for your textures. All of these were photos that I taken while I walk around on my morning walk here in Japan, and then I just basically put them inside of Blender, you know, and I'm using Octane for my render engine. I've got live streams of me making these signs live, so if you guys ever want to look at that, I got some live streams. You can walk through that whole process. But the easiest way to get photogenic renders is use photos for your textures. Like, it's a cool little fun hack that I like to do, and these look really cool, like, honestly, because they basically were photos. So something that I like to do in my spare time. Let's get back here. Comments back up. Looks cool. Thank you very much for the support. Love you, man. Keep going. Thank you for the support. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Yeah, like, This really helps me keep going. Like, you just got to keep grinding. It's hard, but man, he's giving mad loves. Thank you, Mad Love 52 in the house. This is the type of the things that keep me going. These little 1%ers add up, man. When I try to activate my Octane account, this error keeps coming up. Authentication not successful. That might mean your Otoy profile might have an issue. I would just make a new Otoy profile and then try again. That's what I would probably do. Where are the foliage assets from? Where are the foliage assets from? This was a test of me making for a different render that I was using. The foliage asset was an asset that I got from, did I put it down in here? Try for free? No, I didn't. From, he's in my Blender, he's in our community. I can't, just got home from work, so my brain is all jacked. I'm totally drawing a blank, guys. Sorry, hang on here. All right, here, 3D Shaker. It was a 3D Shaker asset. 3D Shaker asset. Right here. Check out his YouTube channel. He's got this. Yeah, this was where I got it from. 3D Shaker is the name of the site right there. 3D Shaker. I could probably look that up for you. 3D Shaker. Blender Market. Yep, here you go. Right there, 3D Shaker. Check him out on Superhive. That's where I've got that asset from. Matter of fact, let me just quickly dump that link in there for you. He's in our Blender Octane community. I've helped start converting some materials and things over to Octane for him. So he makes some really great stuff for Cycles and for Octane. A lot of architectural visual assets and things like that. That rhymes. Oh, great. Happy that does. And let's do a couple other one here, and I'm gonna get out. I gotta get to eat. Huge Bert, just a heads up. Hugh, Brett, just a heads up. Don't understand what you mean, but okay, thanks. Wow, really looking forward to seeing this in action. What were we talking about? Making Blender, making the lighting add-on, which I'm almost finished with. Actually, as soon as I get off this with you guys, I'm gonna be downloading the version that was just released in the community. Reg, who's helping me code this thing, he just dropped in a new version of it. We were clearing out some bugs, so the heck with it. I'll just do it while you guys are here right now. I just downloaded it, right? Oop, and I already had an instance of Blender open. But yeah, we're building a 3-point it's basically a lighting add-on to help us set up lights so you don't have to keep repetitively doing it over and over and over, especially 3-point lighting setups and just different setups. So let me quickly dump in here and just load that up. I already have one version now, but like I said, we're just working on the bugs. Let me just quickly show you what it looks like. 3-point adding light on. Octane lighting tools. Octane lighting tools. Go ahead and pull that one out of there. Come in here, install, downloads, and number 255, install lighting toolkit, Octane lighting tools. Jump over here, and if I put the new panel, jump over here, Octane lighting tools. So basically, this is it. You come in here, we've got all these presets, different lighting setting presets here, classic 3-point lighting. Click that, boom, it drops it into the scene. You can come over here and hit disable background and it'll kill your background, but my background is, my world setting is a little bit different, so it should work with you guys but not on mine. So I'm just going to zero that out, and then if I turn the render on, don't have the render network on, I turn the server on. But it puts up a 3-point lighting setup, and then inside of that here you can save your own setup, set up your own custom pre-setup lighting setups. You can select the light by 3D cursor or selected objects. False coloring, this is something that I use quite extensively when I was in my filmmaking days, so I wanted to kind of, it's something I use all the time when I'm doing lighting that it sucks to go all the way down to the menu and turn it on, so I've just kind of baked it in right there. Let's go ahead and turn this back on. Boom, there it goes. And quickly, let me just drop in this. There you go. So we've got this 3-point lighting setup. Oh, that's looking nice. We've got the levels looking a lot more better now. Loving that. Loving that. Really nice. And then you can come up here again, change the different way. We want 3-point lighting soft, right? You can just come in here, change. Maybe we want a single lighting setup. Boom, there's a single lighting setup there. And then again, I can come here, turn on my false colors to use false colors. Then I got my exposure. I can bring down my exposure. Let me check something else too. Oh, nice, that's fixed. Nice, 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 nice. This thing is coming along. Let's go back to 3-point dramatic. Right, it's a little bit more moody. Woo! Levels are looking hot. I love it. This is nice. Okay, then you can come in here. Lighting controls, add, update, delete, reset, disable your environment. Then you got individual control of each light, right? So we've got my key light. So if I jump in here, you got my key light, and then I can make it non-visible, like this light right here is visible in the viewport, which is our fill light. So I come over here to fill, I can turn that off. So ooh, that kind of moved it out of position, so it's something we need to work on. I kind of bumped it out. I can change it to RGB colors instead, and you can use the colors right here if you want to do that. Right, or I can just, what I typically use is black body emission. Then you can change it to a spotlight, and then you still got control of the light power, the rotation, distance, height, and then even color temperature, and then even size here. And the size is dynamic based on what kind of shape that you're using. Here you can see I can also go standard or normalize. And where's my shape at? Shape is where I'm at. Oh, because I'm in spotlight. So let me go back to air there, so I can change it to a rectangle, disc, or an ellipse, right? So it's pretty dope, dude. Like, it's coming along very nicely. And there it is. We're just getting the final touches on that already. And yeah, that's the lighting. A quick little look at the lighting add-on that we're working on. So overall, today, I just want to do a quick, ooh, the levels are cranked up here, right? So I want to do a quick little brain dump today with my community. Like, I'm a beta, basically my community is a B2C. B2C, if you guys don't know what that means, is business to consumer or customer. And I've been studying a lot about business, and a lot of these guys who especially on the school platform where I have my community at, I don't use Patreon or nothing like that. School platform is way more better than that at the moment. A lot of people don't know about it. It's just, it's awesome. Like, here's my community page, here's my classroom, my calendar, right? Members, I've got even a members map, like, right, like it tells me where all my members are at in the world. We've got a leaderboard and an about page. And the thing with this, a lot of the other communities that I follow are like business orientated, and these guys are making big time money. But the thing that most of them are, I'm learning from them, they're going B2B, from business, offering a service for a business from a business, right? Business to business, you can charge a lot more money, right? So I've been thinking about a model. How can I switch? Like, I have the B2C teaching, my main point is teaching people how to use Blender Octane in particular, right? And that's business to customer. So I want to go B2B, and I'm thinking the way that I'm going to do B2B now is I set today. That's one thing at work, in my lunchtime, in my lunch breaks, I used to sit and just play games. Now I'm sitting here with ChatGPT figuring out business models and like just going back and forth. And I came up with a great one that I was originally going to do after I hit 1K MRR in my community. For those of you who don't know what MRR means, monthly reoccurring revenue. And I was going to do that. Like right now, I've only been working on this community for about 7 months, and I'm already at 482 MRR, monthly reoccurring revenue, right? So I'm almost halfway there. So, and I'm thinking like, how can I build a better business, make more money, right? That's the ultimate goal. And I'm going to think about going B2B, and how? By teaching other Blender artists how to build a community to make money off. So like, especially I have some guys in my community now who are freelancers, and they're constantly like, how can I get more clients? How can I get more clients? And I'm thinking like, I was going to build a system that teach freelancers how to get more clients. But then I was like, you know what? That's a cycle that you'll never end up. Like, if you're looking for clients, once you get you're looking for the next client, you're looking for the next client, you're looking for the next client, and you're just constantly going from client to client. How about just continuing to make 3D because you like it, or maybe you're into product rendering, but doing that just for your community and still making money and reoccurring money, not stressing about the next job, right? So I've started here with this community here. Just, I love Blender, I love Octane, I love learning Octane, and I'm like, wow. Started a YouTube channel, started this channel, this community also. January, I started this February of last year, and I'm already making money on it. I don't even use monetization on my YouTube channel. I had a YouTube channel before this. My other YouTube channel was like at 141Ks. I have AdSense on and all that. I never made more than $200 a month. Unless you're Mr. Beast and you're cranking out millions of views, you're not gonna make that type of money on that. So then I was like, well, let me just sell a course. And that was going to be my whole thing I was going to do with this, make a Blender Octane course. Well, instead of selling a course, why not just put the course in my community, give that for free, and then just have people join my community and give them a bunch of other stuff and have a thriving community. All instead of just doing a course where you only get paid once and that's it. Then you got to make another course, and then you got to make another course, and you got to make another course. Well, I just continue to do what I like doing, making YouTube videos, teaching people how to use Octane, and they join my community, and they got access to courses, they got access to add-ons, they got access to the community, they got access to live. It's like easier to make money this way than trying to find your next client. So my next venture is going to be building or teaching people how to do what I'm doing right now. Continue to make 3D, whatever your niche is. If you're automotive, you make automotive renders, teaching you how to make automotive renders and build a community off of that and make money off of that. Maybe you're good at that. Maybe you always post to Instagram and people are like, yo, how do you do this? How do you do this? How do you do this? Well, join my community and I'll teach you everything I know about how to make automotive renders, right? And then you're making some money doing what you like and not having to worry about getting the next client. So I literally started mapping it out with ChatGPT right now, and it's easy for me because I'm actually living this. Like, because at first doing the freelancer thing, I've never done freelance work as a 3D artist, so like I don't like talking about things I don't know about. So it was like difficult for me. Like, how am I gonna do? How do you even get your first paying client? Like, I don't know, because I do this as a hobby. And then I thought, you know what? Why don't I just teach what I'm doing right now? How to build a community and make money off of it. The hell with like doing the Patreon thing. Or I got a Patreon. Yeah, I've got a school. Like, I was going to do that. I've got a Discord. I was going to do that. I'm like, no, I'm gonna shift and do this. And I'm like, you know, a year into this, and I'm already making 480. Like right now, $5,000 a year off my school community. Do the math. What is it? 482 times 12. Do the math. Right? And this is only been going up since I've started. Like, at one point I was over $500 and I just lost a couple of members. They were newbies, but you know, so I just want to get that off my brain because that's something I'm working on right now as we speak. I'm gonna start doing that. So if you're following along with these daily reports, you're going to be getting updated constantly on that. So if you guys are interested, you got questions about this, or you got any type of questions, maybe you're interested about starting a community, post your question down here, and I'll get back to them tomorrow and stuff like that. So, all right, guys, I'm hungry. I just got home from work. Yes, I don't do this for a living. I do actually have a real job. I'm an English teacher here in Japan, and when I'm not teaching English, I'm a Octane Blender community builder. I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.